Hi everybody, this is John Andrews, Social and Digital Media Manager for Redport Information Assurance. Today's topic will include the safety components and features amongst the top 3 email providers. This review, however, will be evaluated based on security only, so although you might not agree with what is the best one out there, this will only be based on how secure the providers are. With that being said, now I'll go over what I'll be talking about today. First, we will open up with what the term SSL means and how that's directly related to email security as well as any type of online transaction service. Then moving on to the different email providers that you may be commonly associated with, followed by the next 3 points, which are the top 3 email providers according to their security. First off is SSL. SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, which is a form of security technology that establishes an encrypted link between a web server and an internet browser. But in this case, different email providers use SSL to further secure their servers so that data is passed solely between that of the email provider and the user. Although this standard is mostly used amongst sites like eBay, Amazon, and PayPal to ensure that transactions are securely performed, email accounts use this technology as well, which will separate the safest from the more vulnerable. Now moving on, as you see here are the many types of email providers that you may be currently using. But which ones do you think are the most secure? Which ones do you think are the most popular? Well, you can instantly recognize some compared to others, but the question is the one you are using the safest? Now we will open up with the third safest email provider ranked at 3 of 5 stars according to Fox Business. Yahoo, with a registered account of around 270 million users, is the second amongst the 3 listed. Yahoo lacks in terms of security though, because they use SSL in more limited role compared to other providers. Now, instead of using a full SSL feature which secures the user from login to log out, what Yahoo SSL does is only secure information of users first when they log on and also when they update personal information through their settings. But they also require users to link their Yahoo email account with a mobile phone number and alternate email address just in case they had to recover their account, where they could as well set up their own security questions to answer in this respect. Without wasting time, Gmail takes the spot at the second safest email provider with a rating of 4 out of 5 stars according to Fox Business. Gmail, is known for full SSL security feature since 2009 and has further issued a full SSL feature to their search engine, Google, which millions of internet users access a day. Like Yahoo, where they require you to register a mobile phone number and alternate email for recovery, one of the main reasons why they are up ahead of Yahoo is because of their authentication key in July of 2009. What happens is that when a user composes an email message to send, right before they send the message, Google goes through a rigorous scanning process in which they check to see if the message being sent is really who it says it's from, which eliminates from any kind of spamming or phishing practices, that may take place amongst Gmail clients. Now, with the email provider that offers the best security, capping in at 4.5 out of 5 stars according to Fox Business, is Hotmail. Now, this one surprised me a little bit, with it being the most popular email provider with a registered 360 million users. Hotmail serves as a bit of a hybrid among the Yahoo and Gmail, offering both SSL protection and full session SSL, which allows the user to choose whether they want it to securely protect their login and update sessions or everything from log in to log out. The only problem with this though is that users seem to have trouble enabling the full session SSL when using Windows Live Mail, Microsoft Outlook, and other email clients associated with Hotmail. They also allow the user to enable a one-time password for computers that are unsecured or internet networks that are also unsecured. One final thing that Hotmail has done was to isolate all of the JavaScript coming in through emails. The problem with this is that emails that contain graphics or links may contain some form of JavaScript, which leave computers prone to attack, which is why they disable it. You may see a lot, in emails where it says display images below within your email. But that's all, and that wraps up this presentation on the top email providers based on security. Please be sure to check out our website at www.redport-ia.com, where we offer quality information assurance and computer security. And also be sure to check out and like our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/Redport, and follow us on Twitter at Redport_IA. Thank you, and everybody remember that if your security is falling short, please call Redport.